So what happens when you get adhesive on your Tesla? Typically nothing. But what happens if you leave said adhesive on your Tesla? Well, it looks like this. You're gonna have dried adhesive all over your car. And it's not that hard to get off, but you can see that the lettering from the tape is straight stained into the paint. So what you're gonna want to do is get some reducer. It could be like nail polish remover, something simple, as well as a squeegee. That way you can rub it off. Less rubbing though, and more wiping with a microfiber towel. So you're gonna take both of those, use them as brothers, and get that dried adhesive, that dried crusty adhesive off your beautiful white Model 3, or any Tesla.
Well said. What happens when you get carried away with a razor blade?
Oh, shoot. That's why you don't wanna do, oh my gosh. That is some cracked paint. So that is why you want to do more rubbing and less scraping. You don't want your car looking like that. So something to help is if you take that reducer on your microfiber towel, you put it on and you just leave it, and you just stand there and you just leave it while it breaks away that adhesive. And from there, you can use your rubber scraping tool to gently try to remove some of that. And you'll just repeat that process over and over again for a really long time. But we're making progress. So you can see the part that hasn't had any work done looks like this. This is really, really bad. If we come over to here, well, that looks much better. And we're still working on this, so we're making progress. We are gonna want to do that for all of this, and a little bit on the other side. If you really believe in luck, or you really believe in yourself, you can go a little bit faster. Use a razor blade. Is this recommended? No. Are we still gonna do it? Yes. You can see it does work though, so if you do trust in luck or your skill, you can use a razor blade to remove this a bit faster. So if you do have some premium Japanese blades, you can use the back edge to scrape some off. Those guys right there. These are not made in China. They're actual quality Japanese blades that we use here at MGM Auto. Look at that. That is a clean window / A-pillar trim piece if I've ever seen one. Woo! That is black. That is good compared to up there, which we still need to get to, but we'll do that with the Japanese blades, not the basic blades up here. Japanese all the way.
So let me know what you would do. Would you patiently use some thinner and go that way, or would you skip and do the razor blade method? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to do some more enhancing for your Tesla, check out all the links I have in the description below. And if you want to check out the rebuild for this car, it is sick. That'll be in the description below as well.